Hello guys, today I show you how to draw a BMW logo that I take this logo from the internet. This is from internet. So first you must think what's the tool that used in this. What are the shapes? It can be circle, it can be rectangle or triangle or something. So I could open a Photoshop. I create another new task. Create new here. I make it 400 4,000 pixel, see 300 resolution, transparent, create. So you see the use so-called, yeah, with stroke. This stroke, sorry. So I come to the circle, with circle here. Click ellipse tool, click shift and drag it. Okay, and make the stroke is stroke, not fill. Fill means inside must be stroke. So I make it example 3 what? Oh, unlock 300. Enter. Okay. It's a little bit small, yeah. Make it 400. Enter. That's cool. Click on this move tool. Drag it in the middle, yeah. You see now. And then come up to the here. So what's next? It must be triangle, yeah. But if you use triangle, it spend times to draw it. So how to do so? So, but I use use triangle is might be faster. So before I draw, I must take out here, make sure it's easy for drawing. Drag it in the middle. It's in the middle. When you move, it will come up to the middle here like this. And another here. So up. Yeah, this is the middle. When you move, it will come up by itself. It's in the middle. And what's next? This is white. This is blue. Yeah. Okay. So I use here. I use tag angle here. Click on it and drag it like this. And then I fill it like I fill with black. No stroke. Sorry. Okay. Black. This is white. This is what I want it be white, yeah, white. And this one is unclick it and then click close it, and then this right click on it, duplicate layer. Okay, drag it here, see, and duplicate again, duplicate the layer. Okay, and the bottom here, but I need to change the color here. What's the color? Yeah, it's green. Yeah, so you click on this, maybe this green, not so green. Yeah, that's it. Oh no, with this color. Yeah, it's a little bit similar. Okay, and I duplicate this again. Okay, drag this to this one. Okay, so I move this to the top, and then I need to hide this one. Hide this one. How to hide it? To hide it, you have to create another tool. I create another circle, ellipse. I drag it. Oh, sorry. Again. Shift and make it fill. Make it example yellow. Again. Sorry. Yellow. And I drag it here. That's so big, yeah. Control T, Shift, make it smaller. Okay. So I move this behind all of this rectangle. Behind this one. Make sure it's reveal this with hidden with this yellow. Oh, yeah, yellow. This blue, white, hiding with this yellow. So I move this yellow. Move this at the bottom. One more. Yeah. So this is the rectangle. And select Shift. Click on this. And right click on it. Create flipping mask. Oh, what's wrong? Move it here again. Ah. Sorry. Like this. I forget to unlock the stroke. Okay, that's done. And then what's next? You have to draw the letter BMW. Come up here. Select the letter here. Write the letter B. Move it here. It's going to be at the top, yeah. B. Want to be its strong, yeah. Okay. And I want to be bigger than before. 16. Okay, B. Another one is M. Click OK. W. Okay. Okay, click on move tool and move this to the middle. Yeah. Control T, make it in middle. Middle this stroke. And this where you want to be. Okay, this one. And this one. Okay. And click on this, Control T, click Shift, move it. And click this one, Control T, select Shift, move it, rotate it. Yeah, that's all. Then you click Save, Save as. Where you want to save in desktop, BMW, you can be name it, and you want to send it as JPEGs. Save. Largest, this is the largest. Okay. So you go to the laptop to here. Open, yeah. That's cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.